welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna be explaining how like my interview is going today. So we're gonna be going through 4 questions and then let's see how I do at the end.
Action.
Hello guys, welcome to my video. I'm Steven, I'm 8 years old. I'm here with my father. Today we're at the Video Riverside. I'm gonna be recording this video for my interview. So first you're gonna ask me a question. My dad's gonna ask me a question. Then if we answer it correctly, then I'll get a free card, okay?
Okay.
So, first one.
Okay. So generally when you go out with your father to places?
When I go out for my father with places, so I go directly in the sunset or maybe the summer. Or maybe like 3 p.m. or 20 p.m. Maybe that's the point, like when I go out with my dad.
Okay, so what are the days generally? Weekends or something?
My weekends, like when my school is over, like there's like 4 days of school, then my weekends start. But when the paper, like my test is like gone, so that's why I had holidays to come here.
Okay. So you do this for exercise or to study the nature?
I study the nature also for exercise.
Okay, so both the times. And how exactly you study the nature?
I study it like this. I make some videos about it, and I watched this channel recently. It's called Kutskazat. You study plants like the nature. Like suppose like you want to look at this plant and study it something. That's why.
Okay. And what you study about the trees or plants?
The trees are like I study about the trees because they have roots. You know these roots you see? That roots get the tree out and the tree grows up that. However, plants grow in different shapes and have leaves. Trees have leaves like that too. Okay.
So what is the difference between the monsoon, the rain season, and now? What is the difference you notice?
I noticed that the rainy season has these green plants, and this season doesn't have any green plants.
Okay. So how do you protect the nature?
So to protect the nature, we need to slow down carbon emissions and grow more and more trees.
Okay. And what you all learned from nature so far?
I learned that keeping the trees warm, they absorb a lot of CO2 and also carbon dioxide. If you can lower down the carbon emissions and grow trees like this plant or this plant, we can grow them and stop carbon emissions.
So it's a Diwali time and kids play a lot with crackers and fireworks. So what is your opinion?
So like if you compare that, like fireworks cause a lot of pollution, but it's the festival of Diwali, so that's intended to like people playing with fireworks, and that's pretty good because it makes kids happy one times.
However
Times.
Okay, but however, what happens because if you burn too much of fireworks or?
Well, it kind of makes a lot of pollution, but kids enjoy it.
Okay, thanks. Anything else you want to add up to?
I also want to add climate change. Climate change is like a factor of carbon emissions or CO2. The CO2 absorbs into the atmosphere, and because of human activity, the trash are getting in the river. So if you come here, you can see that there's a lot of pollution right there. That's trash. So every trash in the ocean comes a lot of carbon dioxide. The Earth hasn't seen a lot of carbon dioxide since the latest century. And if we produce more carbon dioxide than making gas-powered cars, we will higher up the carbon dioxide emissions violently.
Oh, thanks.